Gray clouds roll over the pasture line, and tin roof sings in borrowed time. Your picture rests by the window pane, listening close to the steady rain. Every drop slows what's true, like the world still waits for you. Rain settles soft on the tin roof, washes the dust, leaves quiet proof. Your memory hums in a midnight groove, a love that storms couldn't move. Lantern light on the wooden floor, same old chair I rocked before. Your laughter drifts with a thunder sigh, a gentle sound that won't pass by. Every drop slows what's true, like the world still waits for you. Rain settles soft on the tin roof, washes the dust, leaves quiet proof. Your memory hums in a midnight groove, a love that storms couldn't move. If morning breaks the falling gray, I'll meet the sun halfway. Till then I'll sit and let it soothe this rain upon the roof. Rain settles soft on the tin roof, hope holds on in simple truth.